For most people buying a Ryzen 7 9850X3D, 1440p is the sweet spot. You get high frame rates, the GPU still matters a lot, and you're not spending extra for a 4K setup you may not actually use. Here, my main pick is the Radeon RX 9070 XT 16GB. This is the card I would recommend to most people building around the 9850X3D. It's not the fastest GPU you can buy, but it hits the best balance. Strong 1440p performance, 16GB of VRAM, good raster performance, and a more realistic price than many higher-end NVIDIA cards. In TechSpot's 18-game test, the RX 9070 XT averaged 119 FPS at 1440p. It was only 6% behind the RTX 5070 Ti in that test, and in a later expanded 55-game comparison, it was still only about 5% slower on average at 1440p. That's why I prefer it for this slot. If the RTX 5070 Ti is much more expensive, paying a big premium for a small average performance lead doesn't make sense for most gaming-first builds. In the US, good RX 9070 XT models are usually around the high $600s to around $800 depending on the card and sale. If you find one near the lower end of that range, it becomes a very strong buy. For the partner card, I'd look first at the Sapphire Pulse RX 9070 XT. It's not the flashiest model, and that's why I like it. You get good cooling, reasonable noise, and a solid design without paying a huge premium for a flagship cooler that barely changes real-world performance. If the Sapphire is overpriced or out of stock, the Gigabyte RX 9070 XT Gaming OC 16GB is also a good mainstream alternative. If you care more about ray tracing, DLSS, streaming, or creator work, the NVIDIA alternative is the RTX 5070 Ti 16GB. I wouldn't make it the main 1440p gaming pick if it costs a lot more than the RX 9070 XT, but for NVIDIA features, CUDA, NVENC, and stronger ray tracing, it makes sense. For small form factor builds, look at the Zotac RTX 5070 Ti Solid small form factor. The downside of the RX 9070 XT is that it's not the strongest ray tracing option, and if 4K is your main goal, you may want to step up. But for most 9850X3D gaming builds, this is the best overall match.